Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting in interior in 3ds Max. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have done this texturing over here. So let's continue with the texturing part. So let's go over here and let's texture this frame over here. Let's go into material, press M. Let's take again a material, diffuse, bitmap. Let's go into this new my interior and let's take any of the texture that's your painting. So let's go into this and UVW map, use a box over here. So we need to select this whole frame, material, assign it and UVW map, increase its width, convert to editable poly, select this polygons, Control I, inverse, press M, again a material, V-Ray material and let's give a bit of a brown color to it. So let's give a brown color. So now let's go on to this frame. Again select this, all frame borders, material, V-Ray material, diffuse, bitmap and assign it. Again go into this UVW map, box, convert to poly, again select the polygons, Control I, inverse, material and let's give a brown color. So select this frame again go into this polygons, material, V-Ray material, bitmap. Let's give this, assign it, UVW map, use a box and increase it, convert to editable poly. So select the polygons, inverse by pressing Control I and let's give this frame texture. So now this is done. Now what I can do is like I can use some ceramic material over here. So let's again take a V-Ray material over here, bitmap. So let's go into this interior texture. So we need to go with the interior texture. Into that we can take any of the ceramic material. So this is also ceramic. This is also ceramic. So let's assign a ceramic material. So UVW map and make it as a cylinder. X, Y, Z and fit it. Convert to editable poly. Save your file. So let's go into this again and increase a bit of its reflecting. Now for this, what we'll be doing over here is like select this top part, go into material, let's take a V-Ray material and let's give a bit of a grayish color, assign that texture for the top, that's your ceiling kind of stuff, and for the wall select the wall. So for the wall let's go into the polygons over here, go into material, V-ray material over here. Let's give a bit of a yellowish color to it. Assign it much better. And for this floors over here, so we can select this part, excluding this, and let's give a bit of a steel material or metal material. So let's go into V-ray material and take it as a metal. Let's give a bit of a white color. Reflectivity, we can increase its reflectivity. Reduce this, and alright, so you can just give a bit of a metallic look over here, and so you can just assign that shader over here. Select this, excluding this all, excluding this. And go into the material again, take a V-ray material and let's give any color to the steps or something and make it as more of a darker color over here. So let's go back to the camera view over here. Let's see, save your file over here. So we have just completed the texturing part over here. So in the coming tutorial I will be coming up with the lighting part. So thanks for watching this tutorial.